So hello guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. So I will be making a short vlog of Sarojini Nagar Railway Station. So just now I purchased the ticket, I mean platform ticket for 10 rupees. So let's come and explore this railway station. So this is the main entrance of Sarojini Nagar Railway Station. I will be taking the staircase. I like such quiet places. And for a beginner YouTuber, this is heaven. This is the, I think, a WAP 5 railway coach which is kept, and I am excited to capture the trains which are coming. So in front of you are some government apartments of Sarojini Nagar Railway Station. So this train is just waiting for their coaches. I wish I could chase this WAP 5 or WAP 7 engine. Let me zoom and show you the government apartments. I wish to climb there and show you the top view, and I'm eagerly waiting for train because those are my key features of this video. And this is the shed area, and trust me guys, I really like such quiet places. So since I'm shooting this vlog in daytime, so that's why I've taken the resolution of 1080p 30 fps. Otherwise in night time I would take a 4K resolution. This is the Sarojini Nagar railway station. Here only some small train like EMU or DMU stops. So these are the railway tracks where the workers are doing maintenance work. So this is the platform ticket which I took. It is the Rail One app through which you can book the platform ticket. Guys, this station is useless unless any local train or passenger train comes, because I came here only for capturing the trains only. And of course no one likes the empty places. This man is sitting very quietly and enjoying while watching reels or some other apps on his mobile. So guys, I will be taking this bridge and moving towards this area. So from here you can book a platform ticket or else through Rail One app. So now I am taking this bridge. I wish I can capture some trains which are moving from so that I can give a top angle view. So this is the top view. These are the apartments which can enjoy the view of trains daily. I wish I can capture some trains. So this is the bridge area. Let me zoom to show you the apartments. So these are the apartments allocated by government for their employees. So now let me move to downward direction and check if I am able to capture some trains. So guys, if I don't capture some trains, then my vlog will be very empty and I would have to end my vlog abruptly. I'm just thinking that why would someone view my vlog if there are no trains here. So guys, I'm thinking that someday I need to make a vlog of railway station which is congested. For example, Ghaziabad railway station or else New Delhi railway station. I had a bad luck here since no trains are here. So guys, in front of you is the EMU stop where all local train stops. So these are the apartments. Earlier, if I had known that there are no trains coming, then I would have to spend here around 8 hours to wait and capture the movement of trains. So this line is going towards the northern part of India, the northern railway. For example, the train moving towards Punjab, Haryana or Jammu Kashmir, and this line is going towards Nizamuddin. So guys, I am moving back to platform number 1 because no success here. So guys, I will have to end this small vlog unfortunately, and I had very much a bad luck because I was not able to capture any of the trains, not even a freight train or any local train. So see you in the next vlog, and I hope I would be able to show you some trains, and please accept my apologies for not able to show you any kind of trains here. Till then, take care and stay blessed.